Hi, I'm Daniel and I run everything Land Rover. I've been fascinated by Land Rover for as long as I can remember, but not because of the marketing or the showroom talk. What always grabbed me were the stories hiding underneath it all. The engines that became legends, the ones that became nightmares, the cars everyone wanted and the ones nobody talks about anymore. Why some Land Rovers will happily run forever while others can empty your wallet before you've even finished your first tank of fuel. And how a company that built icons like the Defender, the Range Rover, the Discovery, they managed to reinvent themselves over and over again. That's the side of Land Rover that I love exploring. I started making these videos because most Land Rover content, it falls into two extremes, right? It's either nothing but horsepower figures or off-road show reels, or it's buried deep inside forum posts that take hours to piece together, because once you start digging, you realize there's so much more to these cars than the badge on the bonnet. And while you're here, I wanted to mention something. I created the Everything Land Rover library for fellow enthusiasts. Inside, you'll find detailed buyer's dossiers, hidden issues to look out for, dealer tips, principal inspection checklists, and in-depth guides covering the history, engineering, and lesser-known stories behind Land Rover's greatest cars. If that sounds interesting, you'll find everything linked in the description and comments, and on the right side of the screen in the QR code. There's no pressure, it's simply there if you want to dive even deeper. What started as a few videos, it has grown into something I never expected. It's become a community of people who genuinely enjoy learning about these cars, sharing knowledge, helping each other out, and keeping Land Rover's incredible history alive. And honestly, that's the best part of all of this. So that's my story. That's why I make these videos. I genuinely enjoy every minute of it, and I'm grateful you're here watching. Thanks for being part of the journey.